Hi everyone, I'm Emily Christensen, and today I will be presenting the key to transition for special education students. So here is the situation. Our students with special needs are staring at graduation. They are leaving us to go off as independent and productive members of society. Citizens who, as part of the greater citizenry of the United States, will impact our lives and our children's lives through their level of contribution to our society. But how can we prepare them and/or ease the transition? So what is transition technically? So transitions are natural passages in life that happen continually as we move to new schools, new jobs, and join new recreational organizations. However, students with special needs or disabilities typically have more difficulties than do students without disabilities in adjusting to these new transitions. So planning for transitions is crucial for these students to succeed. So what does transition mean? The definition of transition is the process of planning for changes throughout a student's life. Transition programs are created to help prepare students for changes they will undertake throughout the school years and beyond. According to the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, or IDEA, transition services involve coordinating services for students from school to post-school. So this could mean planning for transitions from high school to vocational or post-secondary education, adult services, independent living, or community participation for students with special needs or disabilities. So, effective transition planning begins early, includes everyone who may be involved, provides an initial timeline, and involves continuous evaluation. So a transition plan is incorporated into a student's IEP when they turn 14. So an ITP, or an individual transition plan, is incorporated at age 14 and includes teaching students self-advocacy and self-determination skills, planning for future education, such as college or other post-secondary training, planning for future employment opportunities, and preparing students for independent living situations. So there are many strategies that have been created to help promote transition and make it an easier process for students with disabilities. So for this scenario, a way to ease transition I am going to recommend is the I-Planned self-advocacy strategy. So this is what it entails. The students evaluate and plan for transition by identifying their strengths and need, so what they have prospered at and what they still need to grow to be successful. They will identify their specific goals. So would they rather live independently, or do they want to, go into a specific career? Students will identify preferences for learning if they plan to go to post-secondary school, college, and they will identify the accommodations that are necessary for learning and success. Then, after students identify these different plans for transition, students are going to use the plan and share strategy to communicate these ideas to their parents and teachers and different members of the IEP team. So the plan and share strategy includes, for plan number 1, provide the inventory to teachers, listen and respond to the comments of those teachers, ask relevant questions to the teachers about those comments, perhaps the students should prepare them beforehand, and also name your goals. The share part of the strategy has students sitting up straight, activating their thinking, relaxing and remaining calm, and also engaging in eye contact. So this strategy will promote self-advocacy and self-determination for students while also promoting their communication skills as well. And this is one crucial way to ease transition for students graduating from high school and moving beyond. Thank you for watching.